Choosing a car detailing service is an important decision if you want to keep your vehicle in excellent condition. Here are some steps to help you select the right car detailing service. Define your needs. Determine what kind of detailing your car needs. Is it a basic wash and wax, or does it require more extensive services like paint correction, interior cleaning, or odor removal? Ask for recommendations. Seek recommendations from friends, family, or online communities. Word of mouth referrals can help you find reputable detailing services. Check online reviews. Look for online reviews and ratings on websites like Google, Yelp, or Facebook. This can provide insights into the quality of service and customer satisfaction. Research local options. Search for local car detailing businesses in your area. Consider the proximity of the service to your location, as convenience can be a factor. Verify credentials. Ensure that the detailing service is licensed, insured, and certified if applicable. This can provide peace of mind knowing they have the necessary expertise and coverage. Visit the facility. If possible, visit the detailing facility in person to assess its cleanliness, organization, and equipment. A well-maintained shop is more likely to deliver quality work. Ask about services offered. Inquire about the range of services they offer. Some detailing shops may specialize in specific areas, so make sure they can meet your specific needs. Check the products and techniques used. Ask about the products and techniques they use for detailing. High-quality detailing products and tools are essential for achieving good results without damaging your vehicle. Request price estimates. Obtain price estimates from several detailing services to compare costs. Be cautious of services that offer significantly lower prices, as they may cut corners on quality. Inquire about warranty or guarantee. Find out if the detailing service offers any warranties or guarantees for their work. This can be an indicator of their confidence in the quality of their services. Ask about timing. Discuss the estimated time it will take to complete the detailing job. Ensure it aligns with your schedule and expectations. Consider customer service. Pay attention to how the detailing service communicates with you. A professional and responsive service is more likely to provide a positive experience. Choosing the right car detailing service is essential to ensure your vehicle receives the care it deserves. Taking the time to research and compare your options will help you find a service that meets your needs and budget while maintaining the condition and value of your car. It is also important to visit the car detailing service in person before you book an appointment. This will give you a chance to see their facilities and meet the staff. You should also ask to see some of their work, if possible. Once you have chosen a car detailing service, be sure to communicate your expectations clearly. Let them know what specific services you would like them to perform, and what level of results you are looking for.